Gardening is more than just a hobby or a way to beautify your outdoor space. It can have profound effects on your mental health and well-being. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a small balcony, tending to plants and engaging with nature can offer a range of mental health benefits. In this video, we will explore some of the significant mental health benefits of gardening and how it can positively impact your overall well-being. 1. Stress relief. Gardening provides an excellent opportunity to escape from the stressors of daily life and connect with nature. Spending time outdoors surrounded by greenery and fresh air can help reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. The physical activity involved in gardening, such as digging, planting, and weeding, can also serve as a form of exercise, releasing endorphins that boost mood and reduce stress. 2. Improved mood. Engaging in gardening activities triggers the release of serotonin, a neurotransmitter known as the feel-good chemical. The act of nurturing plants and watching them grow can bring a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction, leading to an improved mood and a more positive outlook on life. Additionally, being surrounded by natural beauty and vibrant colors can uplift your spirits and contribute to an overall sense of happiness. 3. Connection with nature. Gardening allows us to connect with the natural world and establish a sense of harmony with our surroundings. Being in nature has been linked to reduced symptoms of anxiety and depression, increased self-esteem, and enhanced feelings of tranquility. By nurturing plants and witnessing the cycle of growth and renewal, we can develop a deeper appreciation for the natural world and feel more connected to something greater than ourselves. 4. Mindfulness and presence. Gardening encourages mindfulness and being present in the moment. When tending to plants, we become fully engaged in the task at hand, focusing on the sensations, scents, and textures surrounding us. This practice of mindfulness can help quiet the mind, reduce rumination, and promote a state of calmness and relaxation. 5. Coping with grief and loss. Gardening can serve as a therapeutic outlet for individuals experiencing grief or loss. The act of nurturing plants and witnessing their growth and transformation can be a symbolic representation of the healing process. It can provide a sense of hope, renewal, and the opportunity to focus on the beauty and resilience of life. 6. Increased self-esteem. Successfully growing and caring for plants can boost self-esteem and self-confidence. Witnessing the fruits of your labor and seeing the positive impact you have on the natural environment can instill a sense of pride and accomplishment. Additionally, learning new gardening skills and expanding your knowledge can enhance self-esteem and provide a sense of personal growth. In conclusion, gardening offers numerous mental health benefits, including stress relief, improved mood, connection with nature, mindfulness, a sense of purpose, social connection, coping with grief, and increased self-esteem. Whether you have a green thumb or are just starting out, cultivating a garden can positively impact your overall well-being and provide a therapeutic escape from the demands of everyday life. So grab your gardening tools.